NTT Data and Amazon Web Services collaborate together to transform cloud challenges into business opportunities. Unlock the potential of hybrid and multi-cloud optimization to protect data and stay agile in a sea of changing market dynamics. With tailored solutions that minimize business risk and robust cloud governance and FinOps practices to ensure cost-effective consumption and optimization. Together, we offer expert strategic, application modernization, and migration services, leveraging cutting-edge technology, using generative AI to gain a competitive edge, and bringing deep industry knowledge so technology outcomes deliver specific business results, seamlessly delivered using global best practices, proven governance frameworks, and smooth integration. With NTT Data and AWS, a major US-based investment company was able to scale and adapt to elastic market changes with a customized solution that reduced time to market and slashed operating costs. And we helped a worldwide manufacturing and industrial machinery company understand how to speed and scale operations and deliver products faster and modernize their infrastructure. With one of the leading financial institutions in Latin America, we developed a microservices architecture on AWS cloud infrastructure to deliver high availability, scalability, and security. Create the future, embrace innovation, and guarantee cloud success with a global AWS Premier Tier partner and AWS. From on-premises to the cloud, NTT Data and Amazon Web Services help shape the future with you. Together, we ignite tomorrow, today.